Hey YouTube, Eric's Emporium here. I'm gonna make some lunch. Yeah, nice. Much better. Now, let me see if I can come back here. You can watch it happen. Oh, that's nice. We have our professional toaster here, and just kind of, and then I'm gonna put it on bagel just to see what it does. Okay, and while we wait, we make a video. Milo. Yeah, so toaster still didn't pop yet, and my little brother, like yesterday or something, broke my football. Like, look at it. This is the inside of it. Oh, and here's the outside of it. Maybe I could put this thing on as a hat, see? It's like, oh, shredded, because my retarded little brother. Okay, I just heard the toaster pop. Good. Is that right? Yeah, it smells kinda. Whatever it is. English muffin. Shut up. It's not that hot. Again. Actually not bagel. How do I undo it? What? Playing with the toaster? Now it is. Cat can. Dulce de Dulce de leche.